Third sum, it is given that in a trapezium ABCD, AB is parallel to DC, and we are drawing a trapezium ABCD. It is mandatory for you people to draw the diagrams for the sums related to triangles. So it is given that this DC is 2 times of AB, and it is also given that EF, so there is a EF, this is parallel to AB, and the ratios are given to be 4/3. So BE by EC is given to be 4/3. It is also given that this EF, it is intersecting the diagonal BD at a point G. So we have got too many informations in the given part, so we'll just list it one by one, and we are supposed to prove that this EF, 7 times of EF is equal to 11 times of AB. So this is what we need to prove. So what we are going to do is, we are taking the trapezium as 2 triangle. So this trapezium is divided by the diagonal into 2 triangles. So this is triangle BCD. So I am first considering this triangle BCD. So what happens here is, I am checking out what is the relation between this BEG triangle and BCD triangle. Easily we can say these 2 triangles are similar triangles. Why? Because angle B is common, and this angle BEG and BCD, since these 2 lines are parallel, they are corresponding angles, therefore 2 angles are equal, therefore the 2 triangles are similar. So what happens here is, since they are similar, I am just going to write the sides in proportion. So this EG by CD is equal to BE by BC, but I know that BE by EC is equal to 4/3. So what will happen to BE by BC? BC is the whole thing, so the ratio will be 4/7. So that is the ratio. So I can write EG is equal to 4/7 times of CD. Similarly, I will consider the other part of the trapezium, which is triangle DAB and DGF. So I will say that they are similar using the same AA similarity criteria, and I will write the proportional value also. So the proportional value will be 3/7. So I can write that FG is equal to 3/7 of AB. So this I have marked it as equation 1, this I have marked it as equation 2. So if I am just going to add equation 1 and equation 2, I will have EG plus FG is equal to 4/7 of CD plus 3/7 of AB. So I know that this CD is the longest part of the trapezium, and in the given part they have told that it is DC is equal to 2 times of AB. I am going to use that here. So here I am writing the CD is 2 times of AB plus 3/7 of AB. So if I am just going to simplify this, I will have EG plus FG is nothing but EF. So EF is equal to 11/7 of AB. So 7 times of EF is equal to 11 times of AB. So that is what is asked.